To change the order of the navigation button on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap navigation bar. Tap more option. By default, when you set your navigation bar style to button, the button order will be recent button, home button, and back button. If needed, you can change the order of those buttons by selecting the second option. When you choose this button order, your phone will display the back button on the left side, home button on the middle, and the recent button on the right side. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.